let's take a look at my linen closet.
Friends, do you ever have a place in your house where it's just a disaster zone? Well, it's my linen closet. And today we will be decluttering and organizing my linen closet. Now, as I come to a spot I'm going to declutter and organize, I'm always going to ask a series of questions. Question number 1 is going to be, what do I want my space to do for me? What is the purpose of that space? For my linen closet, I want to be able to clearly see where everything goes, have a specific spot where everything goes, and be able to put it away in under 10 seconds. Those are my 3 main goals for this closet. Question number 2 is, what systems do you have in place that work and what doesn't work? Regardless if you're like an expert organizer or someone who thinks that they are totally horrible at organizing, trust me, you have some sort of system. So think about what systems you have and what is working and what isn't working. I have plenty of bins, but it wasn't really clear as what goes in each bin, or there was too broad of a thing that went into that bin. So just identifying that and narrowing down what actually goes in those bins or those organizing containers.
I had not touched these boxes since we moved here in October. That's been 4 months. And I ended up getting rid of most of the things in these boxes.
Question number 3 is, how can you improve on the systems that are working? In my space, I have bins, and they seem to work. However, the big problem in my space is my closet is so deep that the bins just get lost in the back. I needed to come up with some way to keep the bins from getting pushed to the back. As I was cleaning out another space in my house, I found a pool noodle. I don't know why we had a random pool noodle sitting around, but we did. So I decided to take this pool noodle, cut it in half the long way, and tape it in my closet about as much distance as I wanted the bins to go back. Now that opened up a space in the back where I can store things that I don't need to reach as much, or just extras of some supplies that don't fit in the bins.
I just love the way that it turned out. These white bins and the chalkboard labels came from the Dollar Tree.
Well, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And you won't want to miss what is coming next. So stay tuned.